I received in the first church service a healing to where I've restored balance, and I'm standing and I'm also walking. My name's Tamara. I'm from Tillamook, Oregon. I had a birth defect. It's called an AVM that paralyzed my left side. I got here through my doctor, through some friends, and then she brought me to For My Life that had already been here. Isolated, in a wheelchair, at home, pretty much a homebody. I came to For My Life to gain more knowledge about God, and when I got here, I received in the first church service a healing to where I've restored balance, and I'm standing and I'm also walking. Now I can put my arms up, which I was not able to do before. It's just restored balance. I'm straight up and down, and I can walk with somebody's arm. We're going to work harder to chase. It was a generational fear thing, so I'm still walking out of the fear. I'd say if you have any troubles at all, that For My Life is going to help you recognize and take care of the issues that you have that God wants to have you to fix.